have everything else, or the computers hold up here too? No, everything else seems to be okay. Just we're gonna need more automated wiring being made. So we may have to do that up on another floor. Actually, it's being made on green. Because automated wiring, we need stators and cables. Stators needs pipes and steel and wire. This doesn't have enough pipe.
Nobody's working on feeding copper ingots to Teal, right?
No.
All right, I'll do it.
That has enough pipe. These two don't. Probably because this one's not overclocked. This is using a ton. Oh my god.
I'm back.
Welcome back. More stators being made here. Are we using these? We are not. Okay.
Nice. It looks like we already have tier 5 track for the copper ingots, so I'll have to retrofit that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Maybe it was me, but whoever, thank you.
It's probably Pete, maybe? He's going around upgrading a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I don't know that I did all of the copper. I was working on uploading portable miners before my network cut out, or I don't even know what happened.
Well, I thought you just disconnected because the game crashed.
I think his...
You left like right before Daryun's game crashed.
I think that's what caused it. His internet dropping glitched the game somehow.
Yeah, like...
That could be.
The game booted me back to the main menu, and then at the same time, I didn't hear anything on Discord. And then Discord finally went into the reconnecting mode. The Twitch stream cut out, which, you know,
probably means your connection.
yeah. And then I tried to load a website. Like I have browser tabs that would be open every time, and a couple of those did not load. And then before I could even access my router to see what was going on, everything was back up.
This is using them too? Oh my god. Oh, no, there's not
Easy
enough
breezy,
pipes.
beautiful boy. Daryun's on a commercial on my screen.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
I chuckled.
Where the heck?
enough steel for this. It's the 90. And it's coming from there. Let's see. You're making how much? Steel, but it is going there as well. Okay.
Oh.
No, it's just up to there. Right, yeah. I think. So we should be able to boost these, I think. Let's double check. Right. Wait, nope. This is going back to here. Where's that going? Up here. Okay. Let's wait. Wait.
Oh, I ate that supply of copper real quick.
Ah, it's going in here. Okay.
It's not producing nearly 600 a second per
Uh-huh.
minute.
This is only using 60. I think I've got 30 additional then. Oops.
You can use that smelter blueprint.
Oop, I don't know, get out of here. Nope. This one. Alright. It's this one. D60, so that's taking one of them. So I got 30 extra to play with. So I can bump 2 of these. Give me an extra 20 pipes. Okay. So hopefully that'll help out here. So thirsty. Yeah, it's got that. If I get that, that might help a little more. Well, I'm hoping that extra production's enough. But this is totally... That one's already been backed up. This is the two that need more. That's not the one that... No, I could switch it around, I guess. If that one be the one. That might be a better idea. Take you out. Boost you. Instead. Some extra pipes here. Okay, that'll help out. Taking extras from there. Still have to feed two. The one's not as aggressive as the other one is. For pipes. $45. 60. Maybe this making... That's just making enough for those three. Jeez, he took... Okay. It's not going to solve that problem as much as I hoped it would, but it'll help.
Wow. The conveyor belt's blurring, it's moving so fast, I can't even see the individual.
Can't do that, yeah, that's, let's see. So I could do one extra. Or this is making 3.
Well, I see someone's trying to use my blueprint.
Yep. It's, I don't know why there's no power. Those all look connected. Oh, this thing is not connected to anything. Okay.
Yeah, power poles are hard to get into the blueprint. Like, you can't do the lines.
Let's see, that needs 30. Oh, but it's all done. Okay. Well, that's good at least, I guess.
You should.
This takes 100 per minute. Huh. Ow, because it's getting... Is this using them to... Yeah, that's using them. Again? That's taking 100? Really? That's the only spot that's getting him from? That's not making 100 per minute. What the heck? Should be a lot more than that, if that was the case. Hmm. Is this... No, that's... No, this is coming up through the floor. Okay. Let's take a look here. Yeah, this is making it too. Okay, okay, that's... Alright. Let's cut that off, because that doesn't need to be there, I don't think.
Now that's a copper smelting operation.
Still not enough.
It's okay, I haven't
That's
hooked
my
up
call.
all the connections, but we're getting there. It's backlogging to tier 5, so that's something. See what the output is.
Is that an existing copper ingot line?
It's 580 per minute, which I think is really close to the 600 we need for the copper powder thing. Sorry, what did you ask?
Was that an existing copper ingot line to the new base?
Yes. That's one I said was already a tier 5. So yeah, I just increased its
Okay.
feed because I tapped into it.
Yep.
I'm surprised it's backlogged, honestly. It should be making well, at least we have enough now.
Well, think of it. It's only 16 smelters to max out at tier 5. maybe it's 8.
Well, let's count. So this needs 30 times
I think I was right. 16.
30 times 16. This guy's putting out 480. So that sounds about right.
Well, Mark
Perhaps-
5 can move 780 resources. Or 8 items.
Yeah, so the conveyor belt's fine, but yeah, it's keeping up. So let's see why it's not eating all the ingots. It should be, but
Nom, 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 nom.
There is an unused belt on that bus, conveyor bus. We could tap in like a split balancer and get more product to the base if that's needed.
I think there's only one copper line that actually gets to the base. The other line that's coming in is making copper sheet directly and shipping that in.
Yeah. We originally didn't want copper, but seems like we're starting to need it again.
Yeah.
Let's just assume this is the last recipe again and postpone fixing it.
As is the iconoclast way.
I don't understand why this is... Oh, we got some ore on the conveyor somehow. That's why it's stuck.
As is the iconoclast way.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's the there's little conveyor stubs, because like I set up the blueprint to be like repeatable, like tileable, but it doesn't reconnect those stubs properly.
So are we expecting more copper ore to come through here or not?
No, I meant like the furnaces. I had intended it to be tileable, meaning like the blueprint machine is too small for the blueprint I wanted to make, so I broke it into a section, and then so like my hope was that, you know, the blueprint would actually connect the conveyor stub to the start of the conveyor line, but it, for whatever reason, does not.
Total. Right.
So yeah, 600 copper bars eats up that entire supply for just these 2 copper powder machines. It is keeping up though, because we do have a couple other smelters on that line that are feeding a little bit of copper.
Yeah, I'm seeing 3 that are feeding it. 3 additional to that. Is there 12 that you printed?
Still getting occasional copper ore on the line. These
I already disconnected that bit.
Let's go
You'll,
to. Okay.
you just have to wait it out. Like it'll flush eventually.
So that accelerator takes a long time to spin up, so if you can't keep it fed with stuff, there's a long delay between cycles. Plus, it sounds terrifying when it's ramping up.
60. So that's 86, 90, 295.
We have our first nuclear pasta. So far, copper's keeping up. using 0.5 pressure conversion cubes.
Not quite
Okay.
enough. Which coal getting and more. Can we up this one?
I don't know how many fused modular frames we're getting per minute, but we need 0.5 at least.
Say no. Okay. 60. Hold on. Iron ore is coming in. There. What's this one? Okay. What's this one? This one, alright. I'm gonna run out of power here. Oh, nope, there's a power line there. Cool, 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 cool. From this one. 240 per minute, really? That's not doing that much. What? Alright, let's double check this is the right line. Yeah. Huh. Here, second line. Huh. Both of these. Yeah, okay, okay.
Come on.
Oh, wait, this is... Huh. Okay, so I can bump these up. Alright. As long as the coal is good. 5. It's the same amount, so 360. Okay, how much coal are we getting? So next step. This is double feeding, so that means I... of course it's double feeding. Oh wait, no, 2 lines are being fed into that. Okay. Well, let's see.
Assembly director systems are being made now on purple.
It's being split off from here. This is doing 120. $40 and $240. So that's 360, so that's all of it. Because that's split there even. So that might be using... No, let's upgrade one. Which is the right one though. This one. Let's see. Top one. Top one is crazy one here. Furthest back, of course. Okay, so now 480. Ooh. And this.
So we need 500 directors. They're making about 2 per minute, so 250 minutes, so it's going to be a while. Unfortunately, they need supercomputers, so I don't see us ramping that up super quickly. In fact, that thing's not even producing. It needs more computers.
Yeah.
Uploaded some hard drives. You might want to start scanning them, see if we can get better recipes than the stuff we got.
I agree.
Oh, come on. Get away from me.
Computer system's already maxed out too, and it's short on cable, which is even funnier.
Yeah. Who would have thought splicing everything everywhere would cause problems?
I just don't think we knew what was coming in the future, so couldn't plan for it.
No. It's part of it, but part of taking something to make something else where it was needed doesn't really help a lot.
Well, if you use a part in multiple systems, you should make a bus where it feeds all the systems, and you just feed more into that bus.
Yeah.
Having dedicated systems for each section of the thing doesn't make sense. You need a central bus for each part.
Yeah.
So therefore, you should take from the central bus to do the new systems. So
Okay, so let's But you started on a central bus, I guess, for everything, huh?
Well, that's what I've been making this whole time. We're just going to feed more parts into it. Some of these guys are short on modular frames too. So that's probably the first thing in the line needs to go increase. Thought we're making a ton of those down on Orange though. But they're not all combined into central bus.
Well, that's because we keep adding on additional ones everywhere. So
Yep.
it's hard to get a central bus with that.
We'll get there. Modular plate, or modular frame guy is short on reinforced iron plate. So this keeps going back down the line.
Yeah.
And that's short on screws, so now we need screws.
That's kind of what I've been doing. Going back down the lines to try and increase production for things.
Whatever's below yellow making screws in the northeast corner needs to be. I'm going down there next.
Northeast isn't making screws. That's Skaterium stuff and wire, I think.
That's where the pipe comes from, so we'll see.
Ah. Kind of mid.
Rods into screws.
Actually, I think it's steel beams into screws.
I'm looking at it right now. It's rods, which are backed up into screws, and that machine can't keep up with demand, so we need another assembler. I mean, constructor.
You're on yellow?
I'm on yellow in the northeast corner.
Let's see. We're here?
Yep. This new constructor I just made. I'm going to split the rod production here into it.
This is the northwest almost.
Hey, you found me. It's good enough.
They need more plates, not screws. Okay. I don't know what this one was. What screws is this thing using? There's two. There's screws all over the place. Should be green. Let's see. Screws are coming up here. Ah, yeah, for my assemblers for rotors. Which is probably finely tuned. Actually, it's only 300. Looks like somebody's upgrading things.
Grading belt. And a moment ago I realized just how much material I've used doing it.
Huh. 300. This is making about 500. There's some extra screws here. Possibly? We'll just check. Oh no, there's a third machine. Oh, that's 100 each. It's 3 of 500. Unless they're being diverted somewhere else and I'm not seeing. Alright, now, in case I was doing, I upgraded those. So we could potentially get more ingots coming in. Let's boost this back a little bit more. Okay, that should let us do this. Push this back if we're making enough modular frames. Making 5. And we need extra one coming in 2. Wait, that's going out. But there's some coming in too. Here. Should be making frames. It's an extra 5. Holy cow, that's boosted. It's 10. What else is using these frames then? This is not right. I'm not following it right. Should have this one up, but it goes here. That's right. Yeah. Okay. To here, and then this goes up to purple, which I think is this guy. That needs 25 per minute. Oh, who's dummy overclocking this shit? 25 per minute.
Clearing the backlog.
We're making
Hey, while you're
10.
you're not a purple anymore.
We're making 10 per minute, and some dum-dum thinks we can do 25.
Yeah, clearing the backlog.
There's no backlog. All the stuff is empty.
Not anymore.
I mean, not anymore.
There was a backlog.
No. This is not needed.
Here's the central screw line. You might need that steel screw recipe. We're just using that many of them.
Mm. There we have a steel screw recipe.
That's what I'm saying.
Steel
Yeah,
beams.
We haven't selected.
What? No, we're using it right now.
Select. Yeah.
Five steel beams makes 260 screws.
We have a bunch of extra reinforced
Oh.
plate over here too, but it's not combined with the other line. Let's get a runoff.
I'm seeing a box of stators that aren't getting used.
Yeah, there's not enough production for it to make more of them, so... Probably just tear the whole thing up and do something else with it at some point.
That's on the level we're making screws or iron plate. That might be a better use.
No, it's on green. It's probably the one he's talking about.
Yep.
basically what I was trying to do. So, boosted. Okay, yeah, I was trying to make more pipes, actually. Did I boost these up? I did not. I think there's enough now being made to do that, though. Maybe.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Right, I boosted those. Extra 40.
It took forever to reload.
And you can do it too. Okay. 360, 90. Alright, so that should boost that. More there, and then let's go back over here. And this is still. It's better. It's definitely better. That should back that up more. This thing's getting enough, yeah.
Oh my goodness. My frame rate is dead.
Okay. Killed it.
And now it's...
Now it's back? Is that what you said?
Yeah,
Okay.
strange.
9, 18. Okay. Still 16. Plus fed in. God. Let's use them. That's so weird. Oh, what's this? Is this? Oh, it's a merger. Okay, okay. Nine of those. Yeah, but then they're gonna. Oh my god.
Oh, come on. I started my hover pack.
Oh. Oh yeah, because I was gonna make more modular frames here. Now I remember. Now I remember. So at one point I thought we need more modular frames being made. I'm just gonna use that, but no, it's not happening now. It's white level. It's backed up, really. So that's backed up. Go around it. There you go. Nope, nope. There you go. There you go. That looks scary. Backed up on rubber, huh? Wow. Let's go take a look. There's still all these drones hovering.
They're waiting their turn to come down. They're just unloading slower than they can arrive. They can make a round trip fast. They make a round trip faster than the unloading takes. We just got so many drones.
I see you got an extra drone here for the fuel.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe that's not. Backed up. Now rubber. Alright, so we may want to switch something back to rubber from plastic. Take a look.
Well, we can do that, but don't we need all the plastic we're getting?
I'm not sure.
If you need more plastic, you can go out, I guess it's west, to that one rubber oil field that's got the 5 thumpers.
Yeah, I think we got spots to get more plastic now.
I can send some in on drone as well.
This is rubber. Where is it going? Just a box to nowhere. That's right. So we could potentially make use of that, finally. Because I think this is just going to the train. Look at that, that's got so much plastic.
Holy crap. Sorry, I'm looking at your stream.
Yeah. That's
Well, that's
fabric.
backed up because that's only backed up because it's loading. Once it finishes loading, all that plastic will zoop.
Is there...
Unless it's not a tier 5.
I'll go in. I'm just
Might be tier
curious.
5.
Yeah. Yeah.
Why isn't this uranium irradiating me?
your filter, maybe? So I'm thinking of adding in, because is there space on the train to take more? 208 items per minute. Let's. I don't know if that's gonna upset it though.
There's probably room on the train to take more.
Okay. Because right now this one isn't doing
Oh.
anything. So I was thinking maybe. Wait, is that going out? Oh, because this is making canisters. Okay. Oh, I
On
got
an
turned around.
orphaned steel line?
No.
That's weird. It looks like someone was going to split off steel pipe to somewhere else, but
Oh, yeah. I think I know which one you mean.
it's on yellow. Or no, sorry, not
The one below
not
yellow?
the pipe, the bars.
Yeah, I've been trying several times to do other stuff on there, and then I get distracted and do other stuff.
Yeah.
I think there's like several Caterium lines I was working on too to get wires and other things. Mm, let's see if that creates any issues, because that's 30, 75. We're getting 240. $150. 180. 255. That's 240, so that's a little bit too not quite enough. So if we cut this down a little bit, that's 30. Around 15, please. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's 22 and a half. It's still kind of be not enough. It's 100 plus 90, 250. I'm only getting 240. Guessing there's no Mark II oil extractor. I guess we just boost this guy up a little bit more.
I don't remember if there is or not.
So, it's fine. This should be good. And then we can get that going back to normal. And we can feed it into this line here. Okay. So then that'll feed extra rubber in to there. And so that go up from 209 to 12. know if it's actually counting like the stuff coming in, or if it actually calculates the machines that are running to it.
Like it's literally only items that have been pushed inside from the belt.
Okay. So it should go up.
You disappear from the belt, it's in the computer.
Oh god, yeah, that's gonna unload a whole bunch. There's stockpiled in this thing too, I think. There's no chests for it, but the train must be picking it up. Oh yeah, there's tons of room on the train then for it. Okay, we're good. It's gonna take at least one more train ride before we see if it's gonna be enough. Like these are backed up more now, so that's good.